there and welcome to BlinkBid. In this video, I'm going to highlight the legal components available in BlinkBid. Located in the info block of a job is our usage license builder. Click Build License for prompts to the various elements of a usage license. Once the license is complete, it will automatically be entered into our usage license tracker so you can manage expiration dates and collect additional usage license revenue. If you prefer to use a custom usage license, drop your own text into the Settings section of BlinkBid. A hint, if you're using the Google Chrome browser, hold down Command-Shift-V keys to paste the text without formatting for a cleaner look. Also, please note, custom usage licenses will not be tracked by the License Tracker feature. Estimate, advance notice, and invoice terms are also stored in the Settings section of each personality. Use our default text button to give you a starting point, or roll on your own. Each new job will import these terms, but you can alter them at the job level for maximum flexibility. Terms and conditions is the long text that talks about things like what happens if a job is overrun by zombies or if inclement weather shuts down a shoot day. These can be selected in the personality settings section as well. You can save several different types of T&Cs and then choose the one that you need when you go to print your document.